Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset a Toyota Prius Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then turn the ignition to ACC without starting the engine. Locate the trip meter reset button near the dashboard and hold it while pressing the brake pedal. Watch the instrument cluster for flashing lights and follow the sequence on the display to confirm a successful reset. Begin by pressing and holding the trip reset button, then cycle the ignition to ACC and back to OFF 2 times while still holding the button. Continue holding until the instrument cluster indicates the reset or a menu change appears, then release the button. After releasing, confirm the reset by checking the odometer, the trip readings, and that any prior warning lights related to the display have cleared correctly. If the reset does not complete, double-check that the ignition reached ACC and that the battery has sufficient charge for the electronics. Try repeating the sequence slowly and ensure the trip reset button is pressed firmly. If warning lights persist after a proper reset, consult the owner's manual for model-specific menus or consider a diagnostic scan from a technician to read stored fault codes and clear any persistent errors safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.